Florence Nightingale was an English social reformer, statistician and the founder of modern nursing. In 1854, Nightingale was invited to lead a team of nurses to the Crimean War, where British soldiers were dying in large numbers from disease. Nightingale and her nurses arrived in Turkey in November 1854, and they immediately set to work cleaning up the filthy hospitals and improving the care of the wounded soldiers. Within a few months, the death rate in the hospitals had dropped significantly. Nightingale's work in the Crimea made her a national hero. She was praised for her compassion, her efficiency, and her ability to improve the lives of wounded soldiers. Florence Nightingale gave nursing a favorable reputation and became an icon of Victorian culture, especially in the persona of the lady with the lamp, making rounds of wounded soldiers at night.